Welcome once again to Seagull International weekly sessions where we discuss exciting upcoming recruitment opportunity and overseas placement. Hello friends, I am Jyoti Das Thakkar, Senior Operations Manager at Seagull International, and I'm thrilled to be joined by Mr. Lalit Maurya along with me for conducting the today's session. But before we dive into our today's opportunity, let's take a moment to revisit Seagull's success story. For the past 39 years, Seagull has been trusted name in overseas recruitment industry. In less than 4 decades, we have grown into India's largest and most reliable workforce. Seagull is an ISO certified human resource consultant approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. While our headquarters is in Mumbai, we also have our branches in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata. We also have our international presence, which is in UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. Now, I would like to introduce you all to our social media platform. We have expanded our online presence to make it easier for you all. So it is easier for you to connect with us. You can now find our Facebook page. We will hold the screen for a few seconds so that you can scan the QR code and our Facebook page will be open where we upload all our recent requirement, the positions we are looking for across globe. We everything we post on our Facebook and other platforms as well, which we will go on. So since I have mentioned our online presence, so we also have our page on Telegram. So you can scan this QR code. So our Telegram page will be open. We mention everything on the Telegram as well. Our recent job requirement, upcoming interview drives, campaign we are planning to conduct, everything we post on our all our social media pages. So this will be on Instagram since people are these days more active on Instagram. So we have expanded our presence on Instagram as well. So we will hold the screen for a few seconds so that you can scan the QR code and an Instagram page from Seagull will open. And in this, you can keep updated. You will be keep updated about whatever we are looking for or hiring the positions and the future job roles. We also have our Seagull Staffing Group. This is our domestic platform. Candidates, whoever interested to work pan India, can join this link. We keep posting our domestic requirement interview campaigns in this page. So let's dive into the first requirement. This will be from Qatar. Okay, so this is for an oil and gas project. Client interview will be on Kolkata on 17th of December. The client is looking for tank fabricator, tank fitter, field engineers, rigging cum scaffolding foreman, supervisor, and some other welders. So the position is on the screen along with the numbers the client is required. The candidate should have 5 years of experience in the respective field. Along with the salary is attractive. Free food and accommodation is the benefit client will offer you. So if you are near to this Kolkata, you can reach to our branch and our branch people will update you about the details. So next is for SAS Oman. This will be an oil and gas project. Client interview is on 14th of December and it will be in our Kochi branch. The addresses is on the screen. The client is looking for pipe fabricator, structural fabricator, pipe fitters and grinders, and rest position is on the screen along with the numbers we are hiring. Candidates with GCC experience and oil and gas can apply for this position. And before the interview, you can just drop your profiles. Our team will update you on it. So next is for SAS, the same position and the company is in same, but we're having an interview on 17th of December in our Vishakhapatnam. The address is on the screen. Candidate whoever have GCC experience in oil and gas project can apply for this job. You can reach out to our Vizag brand. Their email address and contact details is on the screen, so that before the interview they can shortlist your profiles and you will be the first come first basis interview, so you have to apply now. Okay, so next is from Qatar. This will be for an oil and gas insulation division project. The client interview is on 23rd December at Kolkata. This will be a free requirement and a long-term project. We are looking for insulator, cold, insulation foreman, sheet metal fabricator. The numbers are in huge. Candidate who have GCC experience in oil and gas industry can apply for this position. You can send your profile to any of our branches, or you can just reach out to our Kolkata branch. They will update you about the salary and other benefits. So next, the position and the company is same for Qatar insulation division, but the interview will be in Kanyakumari. The interview location is on the screen. Client interview is on 19th of December, and candidate whoever have GCC experience in oil and gas can apply to our Kochi branch, and they will update you. They will shortlist you. They will inform you about the information required at the time of interview, so that the interview will be smooth. Okay, so the next is for same company, but the interview will be in Uttar Pradesh. The location is on 25th December. We are doing it on in Gorakhpur, 26th in Devariya, 28th in Sultanpur, and 29th on Lucknow. So these are the location. If you are near to this location for this position, you can come down for an interview, or you can just apply to our email address mentioned below. Our team will update you for the interview location exactly. So next is same company on 21st December in Gondia, the Maharashtra. It will be in Maharashtra. The address is on the screen. So if you are in Mumbai or nearby to the location, you can visit to this location for an interview. Client interview will be there. So if you have GCC experience, you can immediately apply, or you can walk into our head office. Our team will update you about the details. So this is for a hotel industry. So the client interview is on 18th of December in Chennai. You can also walk into our any of our branches. This will be a virtual interview. We are looking for housekeeping staff. Age limit is on the screen, 20 to 35. If you are fresher and have done a training in any of the catering management or hospitality company, can apply for this job. Free food, accommodation, transportation is the benefit. Salary is attractive. So if you are near to any locations, you can attend the interview. It's just that you have to apply to the email address first, and the team will get back to you with the location where you want to do the interview. So the next is for Oman. It will be for an EPC company project, EPC company oil and gas project. The client interview location is on the screen. 30 December, Fatehpur. The address is on the screen. We are looking for mason, rigger, millwright fitter, lab technician, civil, carpenters. The numbers are in huge. If you are in any of this location, or you can just walk into our office, any of our branches, they will update you. Rajasthan will be a location, so if you are nearby to that, that will be great for the interview. Salary will be attractive, and they will confirm you at the time of interview. Along with that, free food and accommodation is the benefit the company is providing. Candidate whoever have GCC experience can apply for this Oman project. So next is for Oman again for a construction project. The client interview is on 17th December and the addresses are on the screen. It will be in Vishakhapatnam. The client is looking for riggers, welders, fitters, grinderman, fabricators. The numbers are in huge. So you can apply to our Vishakhapatnam branch. Salary and other benefit, the branch will confirm you at the time of interview. So let's move to next. This will be for Abu Dhabi. This is for an EPC company, a turnaround shutdown project. Client interview is in Trichy on 19th of December. The addresses is on the screen. This will be a free requirement. The positions are instrument fitters, job coordinator, control technician, millwright fitters, analyzer technician, storekeeper, tool keepers, riggers, electrical helpers, electrical technicians. So the numbers, the requirement is on the screen and it's huge. So you can apply for this position. You can walk into our branch and the branch team will update you about the benefits and the other details. So yeah, the positions is same for Abu Dhabi, but the interview will be in Nagarkoil 19th December. Sorry, it will be on 17th December. The addresses is on the screen. This will be a free requirement. You can connect to our branches. They will update you about the salary and other benefits, so you can apply immediately. Okay, so the position is same. It will be 18 December in Tirunelveli. This will be a free requirement. The position is exactly the same: job coordinator, control technicians, analyzer technicians, electrical technician, instrumentations helper, electrical helper, rigger, insulator, lead rigger, storekeeper, toolkeeper, and keeper's assistant. So if you are near to this location, you can apply for this job. So this is for the Abu Dhabi EPC hiring company. This will be again a shutdown project, free requirement, and the interview is on 19th December in Trichy. The address of the is on the screen. Client is looking for execution unit, HSC in charge, HSC rescue team in charge, QAQC in charge. Some of the supervisors position is on the screen. Along with that, they are hiring for material coordinator, heavy equipment coordinator, permit coordinator, HSC supervisor, and supervisor AFC. A candidate with GCC experience with turnaround shutdown project in oil and gas or else petrochemical can apply for this job. Salary with free food accommodations and transportation are the benefit client is offering. So if you are in our nearby locations to Chennai, can apply. You can apply for this job. So. This is same for Abu Dhabi turnaround project, free requirement, but the address is 17th December at Nagarkoil. The address is on the screen. The position is exactly the same. Candidate, whoever have experience with turnaround or shutdown oil and gas project, refineries or petrochemical chemical project, you can apply for this job. Let's move to next, please. So yeah, so this will be for Kuwait oil and gas project. This will be a free requirement, and this is an online interview. We are looking for mechanical engineer, mechanical supervisor, QC engineer, and QC supervisor. We are also looking for foreman boiler, foreman rotating equipment, pipe fabricator, and mechanical fitters. The small description is on the screen. The specifications of each position is on the screen. If you have worked in the same position with the relevant experience, you can apply to this company. Our email address is on the screen. If you are near to this, you can even visit to our branches. Our team from the branches will update you about this company. So the next is for Abu Dhabi oil and gas project. This will be a free requirement. Again, it's an online interview, so you can give an interview from any location. We are looking for rigging supervisor, candidate with a diploma with APLO certifications is required. With ADNOC lifting standard HSC. Okay, if you have 5 to 6 years of relevant experience, you can apply for this job. Client is offering free food and accommodation. Rest salary details we will confirm you at the time of interview. So you can apply to the mentioned email address, or you can walk into our branches for the more details. So that's it from my side. The next set of interview dates and positions we are hiring will be updated you by Mr. Lalit Moria.
Thank you, Ms. Jyoti. Hello, viewers. Good afternoon. Namaste. This is Dalit here. Welcome to our this live session. And I'm going to start with our interview campaign first, which we have scheduled. दोस्तों ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स एक शिपयार्ड शिप मेंटेनेंस कंपनी की है. इसकी जो इंटरव्यू है क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू को 23 दिसंबर को यानी 23 दिसंबर बॉम्बे में हमारे ऑफिस में शेड्यूल्ड है. We are looking for here conventional machinist, CNC machine operator, machine shop supervisors. All candidates should have 3 to 5 years experience with ITI certificate, even if they are 10th pass or under 10, that also okay, but at least 3 to 5 years experience they should have. और इसमें जो कन्वेंशनल मशीनिस्ट की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसमें हमें यंग कैंडिडेट चाहिए जिसकी एज बिलो 40 हो, और वो शिपयार्ड कंपनी में जो बड़े बड़े प्लेट बनती है उसकी जो मिलिंग टर्निंग और जो भी मशीन शॉप के काम है वो आनी चाहिए. और 23 तारीख को क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू है. कोई भी कैंडिडेट वॉकिंग में आ सकता है इंटरव्यू अटेंड करने के लिए. और जस्ट आफ्टर सिलेक्शन इसके जो मोबिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस है वो भी इमीडिएट होंगे. कंपनी आपको इसमें अच्छी सैलरी के साथ साथ फ्री फूड या फूड अलाउंस, रहना खाना सारी प्रोवाइड करेंगी. और ये काफी अच्छी रिक्वायरमेंट है. टोटल 30 आदमी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है इस कंपनी में. इसके साथ ये डेस्कॉन के इंट्रो ड्राइव चल रहे हैं जो हाफसान एंड भरूच प्रोजेक्ट के हैं. इसके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू 15 तारीख को हमने दिल्ली में रखी हुई है. दी ओरियन प्लाजा नेहरू प्लेस कालका जी में ये होटल है. यहाँ पे क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू होंगे 15 तारीख को. सीगल के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अवेलेबल रहेंगे. इफ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड दे कैन गो एंड मीट आवर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव देयर एंड सबमिट देयर प्रोफाइल. Immediately we will arrange your face-to-face interview with client. The डेस्कॉन डेलीगेट्स as well as प्रिंसिपल डेलीगेट्स दोनों वहाँ पे अवेलेबल रहेंगे. इसमें हमें जो मैक्सिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है सुपरवाइजरी कैटेगरी की है. सुपरवाइजर पाइपिंग सुपरवाइजर मैकेनिकल ENI सुपरवाइजर्स, ये सारी रिक्वायरमेंट उसमें चाहिए. इसके अलावा जॉब परफॉर्मर, लीड वर्कर, परमिट वर्कर, ये जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है ये भी काफ़ी वॉल्यूम में है जिसकी वैकेंसी अभी तक फुलफिल नहीं हुए हैं. इसके साथ साथ इसमें जो सुपरवाइजर्स की कैटेगरी है लाइक HSC सुपरवाइजर्स, देन quantity surveyor, coordinators, area engineers, planning engineers, in charge mechanical, night shift in charge, all these vacancies are still available. If any candidates having 5 to 10 shutdown experience, whether it's a Indian or GCC, no issue, they can go and attend this interview on 15 December. This is the absolutely free recruitment. Company offer you very good salary with all the benefits, and mobilization will start by mid of February. Friends, this is for Ascent company. We have client interview first week of January, and we are looking for QA/QC engineer, dimension inspector, or material checker, junior painting inspector, cutting inspector, welding inspector, site QC engineers, welding supervisors, fabrication supervisors, painting supervisors. Similarly, foremen, सेम ट्रेड में हमें चाहिए, प्लस स्टील इरेक्टर चाहिए. स्ट्रक्चर स्टील कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी है. दुबई की है, जो हाई वॉल्यूम में मैन पावर लेती हैं। ऑलरेडी हमने 2000 मैन पावर इस ईयर हमने डिप्लॉय किए हैं। ये नेक्स्ट ईयर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है। कंपनी इसके अंदर आपको रहना, खाना, ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे, और इसमें जो आपको दुबई के एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा मिलेंगे। If anyone interested, please visit and submit their CV here in Bombay and Chennai. Tentative this interview will be in Bombay and Chennai. This is again same Descon requirement, and this time we are doing interview here in Bombay Anuptech on 22nd December. This will be again face-to-face interview. All the requirements are same. We are looking for high volume of supervisors categories people, like mechanical supervisor, piping, electrical instrument. Then we are looking for rigging section, the rigging supervisor, rigging foreman, then area engineer, lead mechanical engineers in charge, प्लस हाई नंबर्स में हमें इसमें पीटीडब्ल्यू कोऑर्डिनेटर जॉब परफॉर्मर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। और कोई भी कैंडिडेट अगर इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया है फर्स्ट राउंड में और अवेलेबल है, दे कैन कम ऑन 22nd फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू, and 22nd at Anuptech we will do client face to face interview. It is absolutely free recruitment, and rest terms and conditions same as we discussed earlier. Friend, this requirement for one of the leading structure steel workshop, and they have their factory at Sharjah, and we are looking for pipe fabricator, assistant fabricator, structure fabricator, welder, FCW, and full TIG welder. And this again is going to be a final interview very soon here in Bombay, Chennai, Cochin, Baroda, all these places. If any candidates are interested, please visit our office, submit their profile. Once interview data is confirmed, we will notify you. Accordingly, you have to come for the trade test. Yeah, friend, we have another requirement. We have client interview on 17th and 18th December at Hotel Mirador, Marunnakan, Bombay. It's near to our office. We are looking for a static planner, scheduler, material planner, QA/QC engineers, turnaround, testing and instrumentation is specialist, equipment engineers, estimators, catalysts, then chemical cleaning engineers, supervisors, scaffolding and insulation supervisors and engineers. And we have the another requirement for in this company in the different departments, secretary, clerk, and lead chef, estimators and all. We need all these candidates for short term as well as long term project company. This is the oil and gas contracting company. All the candidates should have at least 5 to 10 years of Gulf experience into oil and gas or large petrochemical or refinery project. And if anyone interested, please forward their resume. We will shortlist your profile and we will give you into call letter. Accordingly, you have to come for the interview. Only shortlisted candidates are allowed here for the interview. And this is a company offer you very good salary with all the benefits like free food accommodation. They will give you free food accommodation transport, or they will give you total allowance. So it's up to you what you choose. And we have this interview here in Bombay on 17 and 18. The same company interview in for Saudi Arabia, we have client interview on 16 December, and we are doing at Chennai Transient HR Consultancy, Padi, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. If any candidates are interested, please forward their resume in our Chennai office. That team will shortlist your profile and they give you interview call letter. Accordingly, you have to come for the interview. दोस्तों, ये रसिया की एक इंटरव्यू है, शिप बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट है। एंड इसके जो क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू है 19 तारीख को हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में रखी हुई है, मतलब अनुपटेक में है इसके इंटरव्यू 4 to 1 में। इफ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड दे कैन कम डायरेक्टली एट द अनुपटेक। वी आर लुकिंग फॉर साइट सुपरवाइजर, क्यूसी, वेल्डिंग, स्टोर कीपर, फैब्रिकेटर, शिप बिल्डिंग, मार्कर, शिप बिल्डिंग, फिटर, शिप बिल्डिंग, ग्राइंडर एंड गैस कटर. All the candidates should have at least 3 to 5 years of experience. Indian experience also we can consider, बट उनको प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट देना होगा। तो जो भी इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस है मेक श्योर करें उन्हें प्रैक्टिकली इसका काम आता हो। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ग्राइंडर और गैस कटर और फीटर है तो उन्हें सारे इक्विपमेंट और टूल्स किस तरह से हैंडल करने हैं, क्या सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस लेना है, किस तरह से मेजरमेंट करना है, सारे पता होना चाहिए। और इसमें ऐसी कोई कंडीशन नहीं है कि खाली सिर्फ गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट लेना है, हम इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट को भी कंसिडर करेंगे। अनुपटेक में 19 तारीख को इसके इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। इफ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज कम विद बायोडाटा एंड पासपोर्ट एंड मीट अस, वी आर देयर, वी विल हेल्प यू देयर। ओके फ्रेंड्स, एक और रिक्वायरमेंट्स है सऊदी के लिए। इसके जो क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू है 14 तारीख को, हमने यानी कल अनुपटेक में होंगे। ये मियाँ अरबिया कंपनी है एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर आरामको अप्रूव्ड मैनेजर्स, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इंजीनियर्स, प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर्स, प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर सिविल में, वर्क परमिट रिसीवर, शटरिंग कारपेंटर, स्प्रे पेंटर, ब्लास्टर, स्काफ होल्डर्स, वेल्डर्स, and all these requirements we have. Tomorrow we have client interview. If anyone interested in Saudi, please visit our directly come for the interview at Anuptech 4 to 1. And once you selected, we will mobilize you immediately. Company give you very good salary with the food allowance plus free accommodation and transport they will give you. दोस्तों ये डेस्कॉन की इंटरव्यू है जो हमने गोरखपुर और कुशीनगर में शेड्यूल किए हैं। 16 तारीख को इसके इंटरव्यू जेवीटेक इंस्टीट्यूट में होंगे। इफ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज आप जेवीटेक में जा सकते हैं, वहाँ पे सिगल के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अवेलेबल होंगे। उन्हें आप आपका सीवी और पासपोर्ट दीजिए, वो आगे का प्रोसेस आपको बता देंगे। इसमें हमें ब्लू कॉलर और व्हाइट कॉलर दोनों रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। जो शॉर्टेज है वो सुपरवाइजर कैटेगरी में है, जॉब परफॉर्मर में है। सिमिलरली पाइप फिटर, पाइप फैब्रिकेटर्स में सबसे ज्यादा शॉर्टेज है। प्लस अदर कैटेगरी के भी जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हमने डिस्प्ले किए हैं उसमें भी हमें मैन पावर चाहिए। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2000 प्लस की रिक्वायरमेंट्स स्टिल वैकेंट है। अगर किसी भी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्ट है डेस्कॉन में शॉर्ट टर्म में फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट में जाने के लिए, वो आ सकते हैं और इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं 16 तारीख को। और दोस्तों ये बहरीन की रिक्वायरमेंट है। इसके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू 20 तारीख को अनुपटेक में हमने रखे हैं 4 to 1 में। हमें इसमें आर्क वेल्डर और स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। और आप देख सकते हैं सैलरी ऑलरेडी हमने इसमें ओपन करके रखा हुआ है। इसके अलावा कंपनी आपको रहने को ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे। प्लस ये जो ऑफर की गई सैलरी है ये 8 घंटे के लिए है, और इसके ऊपर जो भी आप काम करेंगे उसके ओवर टाइम एक्स्ट्रा आपको मिलेंगे। प्लस इसमें जो भी छुट्टी के दिन आप काम करेंगे उसके डबल ओवर टाइम मिलेंगे। और कुल मिला के काफी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। अगर किसी भी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्ट है और टेस्ट मारना चाहता है 20 तारीख को रबाले में अनुपटेक में आके हमसे मिल सकते हैं। बहरीन के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है ये। डेस्कॉन की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है फ्रेंड्स। उसके जो इंटरव्यू हमने गोरखपुर में 20 तारीख को रखी हुई है। जैसा मैंने कहा कि ये रिक्वायरमेंट अभी भी ओपन है। 2000 प्लस रिक्वायरमेंट अभी भी फुलफिल नहीं हुए हैं। इसमें हमें पाइप फिटर, फैब्रिकेटर, फायर वॉचर्स, देन सुपरवाइजर्स लाइक पाइपिंग, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, देन रिगिंग, riggers, then job performer, permit to work, PTW coordinator. All these requirements are still open. If anyone interested, please come directly on 20th December at the Gorakhpur. We have client face-to-face interview and is absolutely free recruitment, and departure will be immediate. So if anyone interested, please come and attend this interview. Installation supervisor, yes, we have requirement for installation supervisor. Please visit our Bombay office, Mr. Ibrahim Basu Patel. Mr. Amarnath currently working in Kuwait as an instrumentation and automation engineer. Please forward a resume. We have certain requirements. If you can give virtual interview, then we can try for you. लाइट ड्राइवर कौन सा लाइसेंस है पप्पू आपके पास? आप फिलहाल हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में हमको मिलिए, इसके हिसाब से हम आपके लिए जॉब क्या अवेलेबल है बताएंगे। JCB operator, yes, we have requirement with Saudi license. Please visit our office. We will definitely try for you. मैकेनिकल असिस्टेंट, यस, अभी तो हमने एक डेस्कॉन के इंटरव्यू फिनिश किया अनिल, उसमें अगर आप आते तो आपका काम हो जाता था। बट कोई बात नहीं, कल आप आ सकते हैं अनूप टेक में, हमारी कुछ इंटरव्यूज अनूप टेक में चल रहे हैं, वहां पे आके आप मिलिए कल। Amir Rafat, your query is that any requirement for civil engineer? We have requirement for civil and we have interview in Chennai and Cochin. Better you forward your resume. We will forward to our Chennai and Cochin team. They will call you accordingly. सुनील, प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियर्स की काफी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, बट आप आपका सीवी दीजिए, अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसको रिफर कर सकते हैं कि कौन से फील्ड में आपका प्रोडक्शन का एक्सपीरियंस है। Mohammad Sajid Manzoor, yes, we have requirement for HST. We have Descon interview on 22nd here in Bombay. Yes, Mr. Lalit Patel, we have requirement for instrument supervisor for Descon. We have client interview on 22nd. Okay, Jyoti, over to you.
A huge thank you to Mr. Lalit Moria for being part of today's session and for helping us run this live session so smoothly. Your time and insights are greatly appreciated, sir. For those who would like to visit us in person, our headquarter addresses is on the screen. You can take down the contact details as well as the branches details also. We will go one by one for all the branches as well. So this is for our headquarters. The next is for Baroda and Delhi. These are our branches. The contact details, email address, and the addresses is on the screen. The next is for Vizag and Kolkata. The contact details, email address, and the addresses is on the screen. The next is for Kochi and Chennai. You can note down the email address, contact details, and as well as the address of the branches. Okay, so for those who would like to visit us, like in person, basically on our website as well as on the WhatsApp community. So, since I have also mentioned, we also have our exclusive WhatsApp community where we have instant updates. Scan the QR code on the screen and just be part of our WhatsApp community. We post all our details, our interview campaigns, and requirement on the WhatsApp as well. Thank you, viewers, for joining us today. If you like to have more information, feel free to visit our website where you can find branches details, contact information. Simply click on the apply button located at the top right corner to upload your CVs and apply for the latest job opening. We are proud that 80 to 90% of the candidate approaches directly without any middleman, which makes Seagull a trusted choice for many. So stay connected with us on our social media platform. And please do not hesitate to reach out directly for more information about job opportunity. Remember, our live sessions happen every Friday at 3 p.m. and we even host sessions in regional languages. So stay tuned for more update. Thank you so much. Thank you once again for today's session, and we will see you all next week.